Hi dears, now we will talk about the lessons of the second term. We will start with Unit 1, Living Things. The first lesson in this unit is the human digestive system. Our human body consists of many systems. Each system in our body has its own job. Our human body looks like the school building. The school building consists of many floors. Each system in our human body consists of many organs. If we imagine any system in our body looks like the floor in our school building, we can find that the floor in our school building consists of many classrooms. Each organ in our human body consists of many tissues. Each tissue consists of layers above each other. It's a part in our body consists of layers above each other. So if you imagine that any organ in your body looks like the classroom, you will find the classroom around you consists of many walls. Each tissue in our human body consists of many identical cells. Identical cells mean that they are similar, they look like each other. So if you imagine that any tissue in your body looks like the wall in your classroom, you will find that the wall in your classroom consists of many bricks beside each other. So our tissues consist of similar cells, identical cells beside each other. Digestive system. It is the system that helps us to digest the food. Digesting the food means changing it from complex form, which will be hard to be digested, to a simpler one. This system helps our body to get the benefits from the food. These benefits will help our body to grow in a healthy way. Digestion process. It is the process of changing the food from a complex form into a simple one. As we said, complex form, it's hard for our body to get the benefits from the food. So the digestion process will help our body to change the food from a complex form into a simple one, to be easily used by the body and get benefited. Now we will talk about the digestive system. Our digestive system consists of digestive canal and digestive canal supplementaries. Digestive system consists of A. Digestive canal, B. Digestive canal supplementaries. Supplementaries means they help the digestive system to digest the food in easier way. First, the digestive canal. It starts with mouth, then pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. So we can say that digestive canal starts with mouth, end with the anus. While the digestive canal supplementaries, they are salivary glands, pancreas and liver. The digestive canal. It is a long tube that consists of different organs. The digestive canal length is about from 9 to 10 meters. It starts with the mouth and with the anus. So the food moves a long way inside our body, start with mouth and with the anus. The mouth. It is a cavity or a big opening in our face where we can find the teeth, tongue and the salivary glands. Teeth. In the adult person, we can find 32 teeth. Each jaw has 16 teeth. They are divided into 3 different types. First one, 4 incisors, 2 canines and 10 molars. Canines and incisors cut and tear food into small pieces, while the molars grind the food to make it easily to be swollen. Tongue. It mixes the food with saliva, and also it's responsible for tasting the food. It will help us to know if the food was sugary, salty, or whatever. Second, pharynx. It connects the mouth with the esophagus. Third, esophagus. It is a muscular tube which is made up of muscles. It's a very strong tube that connects the pharynx with the stomach. It allows the food to pass from the mouth to the stomach. Fourth, stomach. It's a muscular sac or muscular bag which is made up of muscles, as we said before, that works on mixing food up with its digestive juices. Its function or job, it digests proteins incompletely by its gastric juice. So stomach produces or secretes gastric juice. It digests food incompletely, then the food will move or travels to the small intestine. Stomach can change the food into semi-liquid or very thick liquid. Fifth, small intestine. It coils inside the abdominal cavity. Its length is 7 meters, so it is the longest organ in the digestive system. And it is called small because it's a very small and narrow organ. And inside it, the different types of food are completely digested by the help of, first, bile juice secreted or produced from the liver. So it will help the body to digest the different types of fats and oils. Second, pancreatic juice, which is secreted from the pancreas. Intestinal juice, which is produced from the small intestine. Inside the small intestine, the food is completely digested and absorbed. What is the meaning of absorbed? The absorption process. It is the transfer of the digested food from the small intestine to the blood, which help us to carry all the different types of the food to all the body parts. So the absorption process, it is the transfer of the digested food from the small intestine to the blood that carries it to all the body parts. We have to notice very important part, that the bile juice is stored inside the gallbladder. The bile juice is secreted by the liver and stored in the gallbladder. The food is completely digested and absorbed in the small intestine. So if he asked me true or false, the food is completely digested and absorbed in the small intestine, I will tell him true. Sixth, large intestine. It stores wastes or the food remains inside it. At the end of the large intestine, we can find part is called rectum. The rectum absorbs or takes all the water from the food remains. These wastes are removed out of the body through the anus. Now we will talk about digestive canal supplementaries. As we said before, supplementaries means help the digestive system, assist it, to help it to digest the food and get the benefits from it. First one is the salivary glands. They are 3 pairs of glands. They help us or secrete saliva and pour it into our mouth. Saliva is a liquid which helps us to change starch into sugar. Starch is a complex form of food, hard to be digested, while sugar it's a simple one which can be easy used by the body. So if he asked me, give reason you feel a sweet taste when you chew a piece of bread, the answer will be because saliva changes starch into sugar. Second, liver. It secretes or produces bile juice which is poured into the small intestine to digest fats and oils. Bile juice is stored in the gallbladder. Third, pancreas. It is a gland which is found below or under the stomach. It secretes pancreatic juice which is poured into the small intestine. Now we have to learn how to keep the digestive system healthy. First, chew the food very well. Second, don't eat large amounts of fat such as fast meals. Third, don't eat food containing additives like in the chips and candies. It's a chemical will harm your digestive system. Fourth, don't buy food from street traders or cellular. Fifth, practice sports regularly. See you next time.